I have a 12 by 24 canvas here, and I'm going to show how to do a very interesting and fun, maybe it's a craft, I think it's quite artistic. I did use on this canvas, I did a layer of titanium white because when the canvas is going to be showing and the finished product, I don't want it to get dirty. And then I did put a layer of the potato gesso. I cut a potato up and I just put it over top of the whole canvas after the titanium white acrylic dried. So I'm going to line up what we have. In this case, I have a box of 64 Crayola crayons. I've taken these 64 crayons and I've laid them out in a sequence of colors that I found quite appealing. Oh, and the one thing I want to check is that I have wired it already. Oh no! The need for this is a hot glue gun. And I have taken the 64 colors here and put them in an order that I like the way they look side by side. Get your hot glue gun and glue. I have noticed that it's probably better to have either all the Crayola sign labels up or down. I don't know which one I like better. I think I like them down better, to be quite honest. Now I'm taking care that the actual color descriptions are being shown. I think this would be fun for kids if you use just a smaller package and a smaller canvas, but it's very important that you actually paint the canvas first so that any canvas area that is showing, you'll be able to keep it clean because there won't be any dust coming in on it. I'm going to let this rest for a few minutes and we will see what happens next. One of the things I noticed when I was done with this filament of the hot glue gun. So I've taken a toothbrush and I've removed all the excess strings of glue that were on this. The next step we have to do is we have to get this on an angle, and you need a hair dryer. We're going to turn this hair dryer on, and I apologize for the noise. I'm going to let this dry now and see what we have. I may have to do a bit more, but I'm not sure. Now this is what it looks like finished. I'm not sure which way you would like to hang it, but you could hang it that way. Or you could hang it this way. Such a fun project to do, and it's a lot more complicated than what one thinks. Hope you like the idea. Have some fun trying it with your classmates or with yourself. I'm going to do a few of these and try and sell them as artwork. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.